your girl Lala. I am in Julian Mountain. Today is December 26, 2019, and this is the biggest snowstorm that hit. Stay tuned. I was talking really low, so what I was saying was that I was in Julian, California, right behind the Julian Lodge. We're standing directly on She Street, and behind us is the lake, which was not accessible, so we was not able to go down there. Thanks for watching. Continue to watch, like, and subscribe. You see the lake down there a little bit. It's frozen. Kids in the snow for the first time. Christmas been here since Tuesday, December 24th, 2019. Julian, California, December 26, 2019. I'm right behind the Julian Lodge. Very nice, affordable cabin, by the way. I think I spent like $300 for 3 nights, 24th, 25th, and 26th. It's a little pricey only because Christmas Day we was here, so you know they jacked the prices up. Look at the lake. Beautiful. This is the lake. Almost fell. And it is currently snowing. Forecast says there's a big snow storm that's here right now, and it's gonna last until I believe 12. It started like at 4 this morning, and this is how big it is now. I feel better. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And the quote for today is, if anything is worth doing, do it with all your heart.